Welcome to this video, where we will learn how to change your full name in the Clubhouse app. Sometimes, users want to update their profile to reflect their real identity, a new nickname, or simply correct a spelling mistake. First, open the Clubhouse app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Then, tap on the gear icon Settings. In the Settings menu, you will see your profile name displayed at the top. Tap on your profile name to open the profile options. From the menu that appears, select Full Name. You can now delete your old name and type in your new full name. After entering your new name, tap on Update. Clubhouse will ask you to confirm by choosing Looks Good. Keep in mind that the app only allows you to change your full name once in a while, so choose carefully. Finally, once you confirm, your profile will be updated with the new full name, and other users will see the change instantly. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.